Windows 11 has the ability to synchronize its clipboard with other devices. Now, if you want to sync the clipboard of your Android phone and Windows 11, then you can learn how to do this in the rest of this video. First, sign into your Microsoft account on your computer. To do this, select the account option from the setting menu and then sign in. To sync the clipboard, you need to have a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, create one. In the next step, turn on Clipboard History. Enter the Clipboard section from the Settings menu. After turning on Clipboard History, click Started and log into your Microsoft account. This account must be the same account that you enter in your mobile phone. Now you need to download and install the Microsoft Swiftkey application on your mobile. For this, type Microsoft Swiftkey in Google, then download and install it. After installation, you must first activate the new keyboard in the mobile phone. Turn on the Microsoft Swiftkey option. Select the Microsoft keyboard as the current keyboard. Sign into your Microsoft account. Please note that keyboard sync feature is not enabled for Gmail account. After logging in, enter rich input and then enter the clipboard. And finally enable to sync clipboard history option. To enable history, you need to log in into your Microsoft account again. Now the clipboard is synced in your mobile and computer. You can copy any text you like from your mobile and then paste on your computer via Ctrl+V keys or right click. Thank you for watching this video. If the video was useful, please like and subscribe to the channel.